Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? I think everyone is well. I'm fine also. So today in this video we're gonna create a door lock through a Python, and it's gonna be interesting because we're gonna give it some features to make it interesting. So let's start the topic. So first off, I'll open Visual Studio or any code editor that you like much. So now firstly we're going to assign two variables. So first one is correct passcode is equals to, I'm gonna assign like 010919. It's gonna be the correct passcode, and a max attempts equals to, I'm gonna choose it 4. And now go in code, that is for attempt pt attempt in range. For attempt in range 1 and max attempts plus 1. Max attempts is equals to 4 plus 1 means 5, but that's not 5. We'll see in video. Just keep your attention. So now we're gonna write entered code is equals to input, enter your passcode. And now if we're gonna use conditions, that if entered code is equals to correct passcode, so then print door opened will come and have a break. And but else if max attempts is not equals to attempt, it's gonna be like if attempts, no, it would be if attempt is not equals to max attempts, then print wrong code. And also print function, why it's function, and you have max attempts minus attempt, it's a function, and attempts left. Else print alarm triggered too many wrong attempts, and it's gonna be like this. So let's run it. I'm gonna enter a passcode. It's not gonna be, or it's not gonna be correct. So it's the correct passcode is 0919, but I'm gonna input like 123. Enter. Alarm trigger too many wrong attempts. So there's a little bit mistake. So for that, max attempts equals to attempt. It would be if not equals to. So let's run it again. Now let's see. I'm gonna input 1 2 3. Again this error. So here's maybe it's gonna be max attempts. Remove this, and it's gonna be attempt. And let's run it again, and I'm gonna input 1 1 2 3 What happened? Let's again run it. Enter your passcode. I'm going to enter 123. Oh, now it's working. That wrong code. You have 3 attempts left. So again type wrong 456. Again same, but the attempts has changed. That before I had 3 attempts, but now I have 2 attempts. So let's try again wrong 098 1 attempts. But now write the correct. That is 0919. Oh, door pen. Welcome. You're welcome also to this video, and like this video, subscribe this channel for this little bit Python projects to enjoy Python during learning. So bye bye, Allah Hafiz.